So we recently just got done with a landscape lighting job in Overlook, which is a neighborhood in South Point, and beautiful neighborhood. And this client reached out to us during Christmas time, and they asked if we could hang their lights for them. And we have done at least 20 houses in the Overlook neighborhood this year, and so we said, yeah, we're always in the neighborhood. We stopped by, gave them a quote. We did their lights. They loved it so much. And we came back in the spring and gave them a quote with landscape lighting. And so I presented them a demo, nighttime demonstration, where I set up fixtures around their property and showed them exactly what their house will look like at night. And they loved it and wanted to do it. So we did it. And a few weeks later, we came back out. We installed 22 fixtures around their property, and it turned out amazing. And here are some of the results. And yeah, I'm just thankful that we can do this. This was the first landscape lighting job of the year, and I forgot a little bit why I love landscape lighting so much, and that's the client's reaction. Every single time, they get so excited, like a new smile, a new joy gets brought into their life. And that's so cool that that's part of my job, is that's what I get to do. And these people were so excited, great people. And so just wanted to share that. Thank you guys so much. Have an awesome day.